Well, I just turned the heat on in the garage here, getting ready to do some projects, and I think I'm gonna take on Ruby's dump truck today. Not the Nyland Blazer, but this one right here. We're gonna clean up the sheet metal, get it I don't know, take some brake clean to it and go over it with like a torch or something to remove any solvents. And then hopefully try to prime it. At this point, now the furnace fan is kicking in, hopefully you can still hear me, but we're gonna let the Tonka truck get nice and warm and cook off any of the remaining solvents from the brake clean. After that, I think it'll probably be ready for primer. What do you guys think? Old Dodge? Is it going for like the bird bath hood? Is that what they were trying to shoot for? Not quite dimpled, but similar look. At least that's what I think. So, well, maybe in another hour, we'll start priming. All right, I'm on my second layer of primer. I am technically jamming, so I'm doing all like the, for the most part, the inside areas. And then hopefully once these parts are done curing and settling out, I'll set them back on the furnace so that they can release all their solvents. Well, it's been a few days, so hopefully the primer has hardened enough on this. Tonight we're gonna sand the primer down a little bit. If there's any trapped solvents, hopefully that allows it to release, but then it'll also scuff it up a little bit so that when we start painting the neon pink, it will hold better. What a view. Can't wait to get out there and go ice fishing.